Replacing a broken or damaged pivot bar is a quick repair that can be completed in just a few minutes. This video will demonstrate how to do so using SWISCO part number 26-021, a pair of pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the sash, open the window a few inches, disengage the tilt latches, and tilt the sash toward you. Lift one side up to disengage the sash and check your pivot bars for damage. You can remove the pivot bars by simply unscrewing the fasteners and using a pair of pliers to pull them out of the frame. To install the replacement, slide the new bar in the same opening and secure it with the original fasteners. Make sure the new pivot bars are installed in the same orientation as the old pair. Complete the repair by engaging the new pivot bar in the pivot lock shoe and tilting the window back into place. For this part and more, visit us at SWISCO.com.